Naked short selling, the practice of short selling a tradable asset without first borrowing the security, or ensuring that the security can be borrowed. Contango, a situation where the futures price of a commodity is higher than the spot price. Iceberg order, a large single order that has been divided into smaller lots, usually through the use of an automated program, for the purpose of hiding the actual order quantity. Kicker, an additional feature or incentive added to a debt instrument to make it more desirable to potential buyers. Barbell strategy, an investment strategy primarily used in fixed income portfolios, where half of the portfolio is made up of long-term bonds and the other half consists of short-term bonds. Dead cat bounce, a temporary recovery from a prolonged decline or a bear market that is followed by the continuation of the downtrend. Economic rent, an excess payment made to or for a factor of production over and above what is needed for its use. Fiscal drag, the negative effect on real incomes when taxes and government spending fail to adjust to inflation. Gresham's law, the economic principle stating that bad money drives out good. In currency valuation, it refers to the tendency for cheaper, as in composition money, to circulate more widely than more valuable coins. Hawkish, referring to a stance or viewpoint that is in favor of higher interest rates to keep inflation in check. Junk bond, a high-yield or non-investment grade bond with a lower credit rating than investment-grade corporate bonds, treasury bonds, and municipal bonds. Abenomics, a reference to the economic policies advocated by Shinzo Abe, the former Prime Minister of Japan. Laffer curve, the relationship between tax rates and tax revenue collected by governments. Minsky moment, a sudden major collapse of asset values which is part of the credit cycle or business cycle. Odd lot, a number of shares less than the standard trading unit or board lot. Pigou effect, the stimulation of output and employment caused by increasing consumption because of a rise in real balances of wealth, particularly during deflation. Quasi-rental, income derived from owning a temporary right to a resource, such as a leased property. Rehypothecation, the practice by banks and brokers of using, for their own purposes, assets that have been posted as collateral by their clients. Stagflation, a situation in an economy in which the inflation rate is high, the economic growth rate slows, and unemployment remains steadily high. Tobin's Q, a ratio comparing the market value of a company with its replacement value.